protection engineers in Design Electric and Aboitiz, and we are really grateful for this wonderful opportunity to learn more about IEC 61 and 50, which makes us more excited and the future projects that we will make. This training really helped us become more equipped. It's a great opportunity and really grateful for everything that we covered, the workshops and all the hands-on experience and the great advices and knowledge passed on by our experts here. Thank you.
As a protection engineer, I am very glad that we have this kind of training, and I think this serves as a milestone for Meralco to have this kind of training. And for the protection, I am now very much aware with regards to the concepts of goose and how we can apply it to our conventional hardwiring for the protection and controls. We can somehow think of new procedures on how we can maintain our existing 6150 IEDs or relays. And for the design and standards, we can come up with the initial standards on how we can make such a very good digital substation.